Summer 2025 marked a major leap forward for the region's engineering and manufacturing sector as West Nottinghamshire College officially unveiled the UK's first ever Gene Haas Centre for Advanced Manufacturing at its engineering centre. Special guests joined staff and students to tour the remodelled centre thanks to a £500,000 grant from the US-based Gene Haas Foundation. The redesigned floor space has enabled the college to invest in industry-leading technology where the next generation of engineers hone their skills. The Gene Haas Foundation's Executive Director Cathy Luman explained why West Notts was chosen as the first Gene Haas Centre in the UK.
When we started this initiative, we made a decision that we were going to partner with the very best programs in the world. And we did it for a few years in the United States. And because we do business with companies and schools over here, we made a decision that we wanted to expand to the UK and contacted our local Haas dealer and said, hey, who are the best schools? We want to partner with them with a large capital grant, but we'd like to know who's doing the best job of manufacturing education.
It's been brilliant today. I was really excited about it to start with, but it's been wonderful. I think the centre looks fantastic. The students have been brilliant. Our guests have been really excited. The Haas team are delighted with what we've done with their money. And our employers, I think, as I hoped they would be, are just really enthused about what we're trying to do, and I hope it helps them to be more ambitious. The facilities we've got are unmatched. So I was just talking to one of the team from Nottingham Trent University, who's saying not many universities have this quality of equipment and facility. I think the fact that we've got the Gene Haas Academy now, so if you come here, you study engineering and you want to specialise in machining, we'll give you an extra day a week focusing entirely on that with an expert teacher. It's just a wonderful place to come. Why wouldn't you want to come here?
I think it's fantastic. I've just been speaking to a couple of members from the Haas team. The idea of giving students that experience of modern technology, modern machinery, while they're doing a course here, I think it's fantastic. And I think it just opens up really opportunities for young people. And I think from where this college has come from, 15, 20 years ago, it's rapidly grown to be one of the best, I'd say the best, around in the area.
With courses available to anyone aged 16 or above, this state-of-the-art facility is providing a unique opportunity for students aspiring to enter the engineering sector.